Business model innovation is defined as the development of new, unique concepts supporting an organization's financial viability, including its mission and the processes for bringing those concepts to fruition. The primary goal for business model innovation is to realize new revenue sources by improving product value and how products are delivered to customers. To reinvent your business model, there are 6 main questions a company should try to answer. Firstly, what customer needs will the new business model address? Also, what novel activities could help satisfy those needs? How will value be created for each stakeholder? How could the activities be linked in novel ways? What should perform these activities? What revenue models can be adopted to complement the business model? A good framework to assess these questions is the so-called business model canvas. This will be applied in the following section on Nike. A great example of a company with continuous successful business innovations is Nike. The innovative business model creates more value and more benefits by adding new activities, linking activities in new ways, or changing the way they perform an activity. Their great innovations create a change in value and then revenue for the company in a dramatic way. We will now take a closer look at Nike's business model canvas. So starting with customer segments, nowadays Nike has an immense customer base and targets several different segments. As the company's mission statement already says, the company wants to bring inspiration and innovation to every athlete in the world. Nevertheless, most of its revenue comes from North America, followed by Western Europe and emerging markets. Nike's athletic footwear products are designed primarily for a specific athletic use, although a large percentage of the products are worn for casual and leisure purposes. The products are for men, women, as well as children for a number of different kinds of sports. Value proposition for the customers is based on a technically superior product made of the best materials and with the latest technologies available, positioned as the most fashionable in the industry and endorsed by top athletes and sports stars. Continuing with channels, Nike creates awareness for their product with their immense marketing and advertising campaigns, often led by famous athletes and stars. All products can be bought directly in a Nike store or in other partner stores or easily online. There are several after-sales services such as return options available. Regarding customer relationships, Nike invests a lot of money into its marketing and brand image. With, for example, its apps or region advertisements, Nike creates a community of all athletes buying and using their products. One great example of Nike's customer relationship management is the Nike Digital Sports, NDS. In 2010, Nike launched this new business division called Nike Digital Sport. The objective of NDS was to develop technologies and devices to allow users to track their personal performance while Nike collected and stored data relating to customer trends and needs. Through NDS, Nike has been able to communicate openly and effectively with customers about their needs. Nike generates its revenue by directly selling to customers or through dealers. Nike sells directly to customers through Nike brand and category experience stores, online sales through www.nike.com, and Nike factory stores. Nike also reaches out to its customer through its widespread dealer network that include footwear stores, sporting goods stores, athletic specialty stores, department stores, skate, tennis and golf shops, and other retail accounts. Looking at Nike's key resources, the main raw materials used in Nike footwear are rubber, plastic, compounds and foam cushioning materials, nylon, leather, canvas and polyurethane films. Also, there's a patent on the Nike logo as well as on the name itself and this saying, "Just do it." As mentioned earlier, one of Nike's key activities is its marketing and advertising, which is not outsourced. The company's manufacturing processes are all outsourced, which puts them into a less relevant light. Since 2012, IKEA is one of Nike's key partners for innovative waterless dyeing system. Also, since 2013, Bluesign technology is to scale sustainable textiles. Other partners include Apple for applications, TomTom, and Atmos, a Japanese retailer. In total, Nike has suppliers in 34 different countries overseas, such as China, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Thailand, using contract manufacturing. As said previously, Nike invests heavily in R&D and marketing, but therefore has lower manufacturing, labor and material costs due to outsourcing, and low key resources of Nike distribution costs due to efficient distribution capability employees. Finally, some of Nike's recent most successful innovations are the Nike ID Shop online and in-store, which allows customers to design their own shoes such as the colors and the materials. Nike's cooperation with Apple, as mentioned previously, the Nike Plus package, for example, consists of a pair of specialty designed Nike Plus running shoes, an iPod Nano, and Nike Plus iPod Sports Kit. the growing segment of women athletes and the expansion into emerging markets creating great opportunities in the future that the company is already addressing with, for example, their sports and their women's sports line.